Hey guys, so today's video is me repairing and upgrading my Axial Ryft for the first time. This is the RBX10 Ryft, and as you see, it's got some serious repairs needed right there. The rear trailing arm is completely bent. It's just too much power, too much torque. Whenever this goes forward, like this right here, this collapses. That little spot right there, I guess for another shock, it's a weak point and it allows it to collapse. I also broke the rod ends right here. Like, these are my Traxxas rod ends. The original crooked ones, the ones that are bent, they broke. You see, it has like a bend to it, and whenever force is applied, it wants to bend and break because it already has like a bend to it. So I'm gonna replace those with the Axial. This is the parts number. I'll put it down in the comment section or in the description. I got the plates that go on the rear trailing arms. These right here stiffen them up, and so hopefully that prevents them from collapsing like they do. And here are the replacement plates that I'm not replacing, the rear trailing arms that I'm going to replace the old one with. All right, let's go ahead and get that tire off. All right, so taking the screws off, and look, that actually spins. That's just pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Oh, just one screw, that's all we need to do. This one right here. All right, let's go ahead and do this one also. Oh, gotta have that on the other end to hold that nut still. Go undo the screw right here. This piece should come completely out. Man, look at that. We'll probably have to take this off too, so go ahead and take that out. Go. Oh, here we have the link plates. Shink. There we go. That's how you use them. They come with longer screws. These screws are actually longer than the originals because you need longer screws to go through the plates. It also comes with the nuts you need. All right, let's go ahead and stick a plate on there and do the first one like this. Well, let's see. If it goes on like this, the screws need to go into it like that. We'll also do the one on the front also. Go. Let's put a plate on over here. That actually looks really, really nice. Those are very nice. I like the color of that metal. All right, let's tighten that up. It looks like you have to use the balls out of the old links, so let's pop those out. All right, now we can put it back together. I put it on upside down. I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I'm in a hurry. I'm trying to... All right, there we go. The nuts go to the inside. Had to swap that out. So I made a mistake. It happens. Easy fix, not a problem. The nuts go to the inside, so in case you hit anything on the outside, it doesn't hurt them. But of course, I mean, you're still gonna be straddling stuff, so I don't know how big of a deal it is. Let's put that back in. Probably easier to do it this way. There we go. All right, you still want to put this in here. It's going to add structural support at the very least. Try to guide it up. I don't know if that was on camera. I just stuck my hex driver up through the hole, and I held that ball in the right place so I could get the screw in. It's probably easier to put that ball in with nose pliers before you actually put this piece on, but you know, I didn't think about it. There we go. That looks so good. I'm gonna hate rubbing those against rocks. All right, there it is. That looks so good. That looks so good. That's probably gonna be so much better. Now it's time to do the other one. All right, there you go. That looks so good. That looks so good. That's some really good looking metal. Now I actually used the old arm right there. I didn't put the new one on there, so I just added to the existing one. This one needed to be replaced, so I have an extra one somewhere. Now I'm going to replace these rod ends. So here's the old ones. These are the new ones I'm using, and they're the same ones that are on the front right there, but they're straight. So we're going to see how they hold up. People tell me that the plastic isn't as good as it used to be on the Axial, and I don't know. So this will be a good test to see if these will hold up to the same kind of abuse that these Traxxas rod ends will. Now, you can see these rod ends right here are bent also. I'm going to hold out. I'm not going to change those out yet. I'm going to see if this right here like breaks those. I don't think it will. I think all the force coming this way is from this angle right here. I don't think it's from the top of the axle, so I don't think that's going to matter. All right, this is reverse threaded on this side, so it goes the other way to take off. All right, it's reverse threaded, so it goes this way. Yep. Helps you put it in right, doesn't it? All right, now let's do the other side. All right, there we go. We got these rod ends right there, and we got the braces, the plates on the links, on the trailing arms, and let's go give it a test run in the backyard. There you go, turn this head. So we are running on 4S. I just rolled it on over, didn't I? I got sway bar coming for it, so when it gets here I'll put it on. So I also got a a landscaping rake, so we can come back here and fix some stuff, fix the terrain a little bit. And even give it a good workout in the mountain. I'll take it back out there soon. Maybe once I get the sway bar, I'll take it out there and see how it does, how it holds up. Oh wow. Oh wow. That hit so hard. That really hit hard. Took a piece of tree with it or something. Look at that. So I didn't mean to do that. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. I broke it. My brand new one too. Good thing I got a spare. Look at that, it pulled that thing right off. All right, we know not to do that anymore. All right guys, so there's my first little upgrades I did to the Axial Ryft, my first little repair. And well, I did replace that one rod end that one time, but since then, you know, that's what I've done. I kind of feel stupid for breaking that piece, you know, especially after I just put it on there. I probably wasn't out there maybe 5 minutes. I did something stupid. I shouldn't have done that. It's not really designed to take hits on the tires like that. It's not designed to take hits like that, and that's why I ripped that off. You know, forward hits like this is what I was trying to do. I was trying to test that, and I just, you know, somehow the front missed and the rear caught it, and when it did, it pulled it right on off. So yeah, but anyways, you know, what can you do? I'll repair it, and I will take it out to the mountain and see how it does out there in that terrain, because that's where it's, you know, really supposed to be ran, I think, more so than what I was doing back there. But anyways, that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out. This is a really cool upgrade. I think it's a very good upgrade for the Ryft. It will help support that rear trailing arm, and it will help prevent it from like breaking under like the 4S power. If you're running on 3S, you might not have that issue. I run on 4S mostly. I do run on 3S a little bit, but if you're going to run on 4S all the time, you may want to upgrade those trailing arms. But that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, and I will see you guys later.